you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a cleaning and organization video for my car. Pretty much what I'm doing to try to organize it. So let's get started. So the first thing you guys want to do is you want to declutter your vehicle. Start by taking out everything, absolutely everything that's in there. So now that I have the main part of the vehicle cleared out, I'm just going to head to the back and I'm cleaning out the trunk now. And as you see, I've got my girls' church dresses that they wore Sunday, and I took them off so they wouldn't mess them up. I've got an extra baby bag with diapers, clothes, and wipes. And of course, I have this ginormous double stroller. So right here, as you see, I have my Rubbermaid back seat organizer. These also came in black, but they didn't have black at the time, and I needed something severely to try to keep this vehicle organized somewhat. And I got this from Target. And everything that I'm using will be listed in the description box down below that I'm using on the car to clean it or to help organize it. I'm also going through the car still, and I'm going on the sides of the doors where those little storage compartments are. And I've got like candy and like just old stuff, period. Like crayons, receipts. I'm just clearing all that out, making sure that that's completely clear. And when I start cleaning, I can just keep it rolling. I'm also going to be taking out my girls' car seats. I have a 15-month-old and I also have a 3-year-old, and as you can see, it gets really dirty back here. Crumbs. Sometimes we're on the road and they're just hungry and I have to feed them. And so, yeah, this gets really, really nasty back here. Now that I've got the car seats out, I'm just taking out all the floor mats. And a little cleaning hack, in case you don't have like a little travel vacuum or a shop vac, and sometimes you just don't want to spend all your coin going to these car washes, and sometimes that can get pricey. What I do is I keep a little brush and dustpan with me in my vehicle at all times, and I'm just using that right now to just pretty much tidy up, because I'm not going to go vacuum it. This does just as good, and it's sometimes even better because you can get underneath the seats. So now I'm just using these cleaning Automotive wipes that I got from Target also. And these are my first time using these. And I think they did pretty good. I mean, I was impressed and I like the results. So I think I'm going to continue to buy these. And pretty much you just clean. So sometimes the cup holders and stuff come out in vehicles, so you guys can just go ahead and hurry up and clean those out pretty easy. Right here is where I throw all my change and stuff, and underneath that, underneath my change, it has a little flip where I could just kind of take that out and clean it off easy. So you know those air vents and stuff sometimes that you can never get clean? Use Q-tips. You'll probably always have them if you're a mom. And what I did on this day is, because the Q-tip itself wasn't getting it clean like I wanted it to, I just took one of the cleansing wipes and I wrapped it up and I did it like that so that it cleaned it better. It picked up more of the dust. So right here I'm using these Protective Automotive wipes, and I'm just cleaning my seats really good because they really needed some TLC a little bit. Now at this point I'm pretty much finished cleaning my car. I've already cleaned off my floor mats and placed them back in the vehicle. And now you can just restock your vehicle with all your goodies that you need. In my center console I've got some hand lotion, I've got some Kleenex, and I've got some deodorizing spray for my vehicle. In the back, I'm just restocking on all the things that I need if we take a road trip, so that the kids won't be back there just screaming and hollering. Little puzzle, coloring books. I've also got us some crayons. And in this little book bag of hers, I just got some extra clothes for her and her sister, some diapers, and some wipes. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.